Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to answer the question of someone who actually asked on my website, and this was their question. Their question was, I'm new in Forex trading. I'm using binary.com. How do I deposit money to the account so that I can start trading? I'm in Zimbabwe. So let's actually go through that. So I've actually created a website which is dedicated to actually answering people's questions, and you can actually find the link to this website below. There's quite a lot of people that are asking questions, and I actually can come in and answer some of their questions about their what they need to know. So yeah, we have actually done this so that we can actually do sort of a collaboration of answers. So if you know some of these answers, you can as well just click on answer and answer these people that are actually asking. So what this person is asking about is about binary.com. If you are watching this video for the first time, if you don't understand what binary.com is, it's a platform that is used for Forex trading and trading binaries as well. And I've been using this platform for the past, I think since 2014. I think it's about 4 years now. Me using this platform, and it kind of offers quite a lot of things. So let's just get straight to what this person asked. So if you go to the payment methods, they say we support hundreds of payment methods option, including Bitcoin. Okay, so depending with where you are, these are the other options that you actually have. And the people in Zimbabwe, the first option that they can actually use is Bitcoin to deposit. And the question is, how does someone do that, which I'm going to explain. And they can actually use Visa. I'm just going to explain how to do that. They can actually use a MasterCard. I'm going to explain how they can actually do that. They can actually use Neteller. They can actually use Skrill. Okay, these are the options that are valuable for people to use, depending with one that you're actually familiar with. But for the people in Zimbabwe, I'm just going to explain the ones that I've actually circled, which you can actually use. So the first one that you can use is Visa. So on Visa, you can actually apply for a Barclays, let me say Barclays Visa card. Okay, so with this Visa card, you actually deposit your USD. You go into the bank, you deposit your physical USD, and then you log into your binary.com account, and then you deposit. The money will be deducted from your Visa card. Okay, and if you are using a MasterCard, I recommend FBC. Okay, so FBC, they've got this prepaid MasterCard where you actually deposit USD into your card. I think it's $5 or $15 to apply for it. You can actually check with FBC Bank. And so what they give you a preloaded card, and this preloaded card is what you use. You deposit your USD, and then you go into binary.com, and the money will be deducted from your card to your account, and then you can actually start trading. And there's also Skrill and Neteller. They work almost the same. So the process now is Skrill takes Visa, Neteller takes Visa, and also Skrill takes Visa. So the way to do that is you can actually connect your Visa account to your Neteller or Skrill. Okay, and once you do that, you deposit into binary.com, and you can actually start trading. And then when it comes to Bitcoin, there are places where you can actually buy Bitcoin in Zimbabwe using EcoCash. Okay, so you've got EcoCash, you buy Bitcoin, and then once you have your Bitcoin, you deposit into binary.com. I understand I've given you a lot of options here, and you're like, hey, so which one can I actually use? Okay, depending with where you are and how you want to do it, I recommend, if I'm going to give you order of preference, I'm going to go with Bitcoin. Okay, and then my second option is Skrill. My third option is Visa. Okay, the reason why I'm giving these preferences in terms of that order is because of the how complex it is if you're going to use Visa, or if you're going to use Skrill, or if you're going to use Bitcoin. Bitcoin offers a lot of freedom in terms of making payments. So if you're hearing Bitcoin for the first time, I've actually added a link to one of my training courses about Bitcoin. It's free to access, below this video, you can learn the basics of Bitcoin. So one thing that I want to cover as well is that you need to understand when actually making a deposit into binary.com is, if you deposit your money via Bitcoin for the first time, if you trade and make some profits, you can only withdraw your money via Bitcoin. That's how it works. That's how they do. So if you deposit via Skrill, you can only withdraw your money via Skrill as well. Okay, so what you need to take note of is the method that you have used to deposit money is the method that you use to withdraw money out of this platform. So I guess I've answered the question of this person, what they've actually asked me. So I'm going to put links below this video in the description of where you can actually learn about Bitcoin, number one, and where you can actually buy Bitcoin in Zimbabwe using EcoCash. Okay, and I've also added a link that explains about Skrill, of how you can actually get to use Skrill and the things you may need to know. So with that being said, I've also left a link. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. I'll be more than happy to assist. So with that being said, happy trading and happy earnings. Bye for now.